Most creators over 40 are sitting on a goldmine of content data and have no idea what it's telling them. BigVu reads it for you in seconds. You've been posting for months, maybe years. That history is valuable, but only if you can actually understand what it means. BigVu connects to your channels, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and runs a performance audit across all of them. What comes back isn't a pile of raw metrics, it's a visual report. Think infographic style, built so you can spot patterns without needing a data background. You'll see which formats your audience responds to, which channels are underperforming, and where you have real room to grow. Then BigVu turns that into a content plan, specific recommendations, what to post, how to position it, when to hit publish. No analysis paralysis, just a clear next step. And you can re-audit over time to track your improvement. Go to BigVu right now and find out what your content data has been trying to tell you.